As men, we are at our lowest testosterone levels ever, which honestly explains a lot. Explains a lot, especially with the whole return to masculinity. We're trying to get you guys to be stronger and more masculine than ever, and it starts in here, internally, by increasing your natural testosterone levels, starting with number 1. I need you to get more sleep. I don't think you guys understand just how important sleep is for testosterone. See, your father and your grandfather didn't have social media. They didn't have phones to keep them up all night and then be sleeping on 4 or 5 hour cycles. That's why your grandfather's testosterone was almost 80% higher than what you have right now. Old man has more masculinity running through his blood than you do, and all you gotta do is put down the damn phone. Sleep is so important that according to a study, just 1 week of sleeping 5 hours every night will decrease your day level of testosterone by 15%. To put that into perspective, as you age, you usually only lose about 1% of testosterone as you get older. You're losing 15 in a week just by not sleeping right. 2, stop using estrogen products. You don't understand that all the cheap products that you use, the cheap fragrances, the cheap deodorants, shampoos, conditioners, body wash, all that cheap stuff, not all of it, some of it, has something called bisphenol A or BPA or parabens. Both of these act as pseudoestrogen in the body that blocks testosterone and increases your estrogen levels. You need to understand that you are literally microdosing estrogen on a daily basis when you use products that have BPA or parabens in them. That's why it's so much better to spend a little bit more. Spend a little bit more on higher quality products. Make sure they're sulfate free, paraben free, BPA free. Certain plastics that are higher grade are BPA free. That's why our heat grooming stuff, for example, my entire shower collection is made in a high grade glass to avoid any sort of BPAs. That's why I don't use any parabens or sulfates. All our stuff, it's for men, to ensure that not only you look and smell great, but your testosterone levels remain as high as possible. So if you don't have great products or want to be 100% sure, just check out Heat Grooming. Yo, if you guys click the link down below, I got you covered, like A to Z, especially in the shower. Our shower bundle right now, if you guys subscribe today, you'll get our entire shower bundle, which is our body wash, our shampoo, and conditioner. And above the fact that it smells great, it leaves your skin and hair super soft, it has quality ingredients, you could sleep comfortably knowing your testosterone levels will be as high as possible because I remove all the bad stuff. On top of that, if you subscribe today, I'm also going to give you our free shower organizer set, which is sick, makes every bathroom just like, it just elevates it. Make sure you have all your tools. And I'll also include our body scrubber in there. That way you can also exfoliate the body and shower properly. And every time you step out, you look and feel like the man. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, lose the weight. Look, the research is solid here. There is no argument. People that are obese, that carry more fat on their body, on average have less testosterone than those that are healthier, that are more athletic, by up to 50%. This is the reason why so many men lack testosterone and have the man boobs, have the estrogen, and lack the masculinity traits. You need to boost that testosterone, which means go to the gym, eat healthier. I promise you, you will feel a shift inside your body. 4, take supplements. Look, I'm not telling you to take anything other than over-the-counter stuff that you can buy on Amazon. I'm talking about your DHEA, your vitamin D, your magnesium, your ashwagandha. All these supplements have been studied and proven to have either minor or significant effects on your testosterone levels positively. And what's great is that all of these are natural. So you can add them into your cycle every morning. Make sure you add them into your multivitamin pills, into your multivitamin stack. Take them every day to help boost your testosterone levels and make sure you're encouraging your body to produce as much as possible. Number 5. I want you to mix cardio and strength training. Don't just do one, because cardio is great for your cardiovascular system and also to burn a lot of fat, which remember what we talked about, while your strength training is great to build a lot of that muscle mass, which encourages more testosterone production. Which finally rolls me to number 6. I want you to reduce stress. This was one of the biggest ones. Again, your grandfather probably lived a simple life. Your father probably also lived a simple life. You and I, it's more complicated. With social media, you're comparing yourself online to millions of men. The standard is higher. all this stuff that we now have to deal with, they never dealt with. And that's why most of you are probably stressed out of your mind. You have to understand, when your stress levels are high, you release a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol has a seesaw effect with testosterone, which means when cortisol goes up, naturally testosterone goes down. When testosterone goes up, cortisol goes down. That's why masculine men that have high testosterone levels rarely suffer from stress, because their T levels are so high, which means I need you to lower your cortisol levels. Do stuff that relax you. For me, for example, that's the sauna. I love going into the sauna 30 minutes, do some breath work, just think. Or it could be going for a walk. Scientifically, it's been proven. Going out in nature, getting some vitamin D, even if it's 10, 15 minutes. I'm not telling you to go on a sprint. Literally, just go on a walk. Think. No phone, no social media, no call. You're just walking and thinking. And I promise you, naturally, your cortisol levels will start coming down.